Good day everybody, we've been given a beautiful question, right angle triangle, and we're expected to find the values of A, B and alpha. We've been given the area as 3 square units and the hypotenuse side is 2 times the root of 3. Now with this information we have to get the value, as I mentioned to you, we need these. So the question is, how are we going to get that? Now foremost, this is the solution. Let me name the sides as A, B, C. Since triangle CAB is a right angled triangle, we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So that is going to be AC squared plus AB squared is equal to BC squared. Now AC squared is B squared, AB squared is A squared, BC squared is 2 times the root of 3 raised to the power of 2. This is going to be 4 times 3, which is going to give you 12. So I can write this as A squared plus B squared is equal to 12. Okay, that is one beautiful equation. So let me name it as 1. Now since this is a right triangle, we know the area of the triangle to be as half times base into height. Okay, so half into base A units, height is B units, area is given to be as 3. So AB is equal to 6 units we have got. Now from here, if I were to multiply by 2 both sides, I will get 2 times AB is equal to 12 units. Now why do I do that? Because I want to know the value of A positive B raised to the power of 2 and A negative B raised to the power of 2. Okay, now consider A positive B raised to the power of 2. What is this? This is A squared plus B squared plus 2AB. Now what is A squared plus B squared? 12 units. And what is 2AB? Is 12. So A positive B whole squared is 24 units. So this is one value. So from here I get A positive B is equal to root of 24, which is nothing but root of 4 times 6 is 24, which is nothing but 2 times the root of 6. So A positive B is equal to 2 times root of 6. So I'm taking this as 2. Right. Now let me use this part. Now consider A negative B raised to the power of 2, which is A squared positive B squared negative 2AB. So A squared positive B squared, that's 12. Negative 2AB, you're getting 12 whole squared to be equal to 0. So A negative B is equal to 0. Therefore A is equal to B. You're getting a value of A is equal to B. So let me take this as 3. Now A is equal to B. If I were to substitute here, let me use this side. So therefore 2 can be rewritten as, say I'm taking, in place of A I'm substituting B. So 2 times B is equal to 2 times root of 6. So B is equal to root of 6. So that would mean I have A is equal to root of 6 and B is equal to root of 6. Now you need to get the value of alpha. So from here, let me just take cos alpha. Cos alpha is equal to the adjacent side, that is root of 6 divided by the hypotenuse, that's 2 times root of 3. So if you were to take this as root of 2 times root of 3 divided by 2 times root of 3, root 3 gets cancelled. So I would get a value of root of 2 divided by root of 2 times root of 2, which is equal to 1 over root 2. So I'm getting a value for alpha to be as 45 degrees in this case. Alright, now this is one such simple problem. Now if the values were to be different, then what would be the state? So let's work that part out. Now the earlier question was simple. What if the question is in this fashion? I got the same right triangle, and in this case the area is 2 units, the hypotenuse is 4 units. We are expected to find the value of alpha. We also need to get the value of this base and the height. So how are we going to do that? And this is a right triangle. Now let's start the solution. Now since it's a right triangle, I can write this as AB squared positive AC squared is equal to BC squared. So AB squared is A squared, AC squared is B squared, and BC is 4 squared, which is equal to 16. So A squared plus B squared is equal to 16 units. Okay, fair enough. Now let me utilize the area of the triangle. Since triangle ABC is right triangle, so by Pythagoras theorem we get, so what is this, what is the in fact I don't need to use Pythagoras theorem, so let me just cancel this off. So we will find the area, we will find its area. So therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to half times base times height, which is equal to half times, my base is A units, my height is B units. So the area of triangle ABC is going to be as 2 units. So 2 units is equal to half times AB. Therefore A times B is equal to 4 units. Now I want 2AB. So multiplying by 2 both sides, we get, so what do we get? You get 2 times AB is equal to 8 units. Now why do I need this? I will be utilizing in the formula to find the value of A and B. So I take this as 1, I take this as 2. Okay, so now I'm going to consider A positive B raised to the power of 2. What is this? This is A squared positive B squared positive 2AB. Now A squared positive B squared is 16 units, 2AB is 8 units, so you have 24. So A positive B whole squared is equal to 24. Therefore A positive B is equal to root of 24. I'm going to write 24 as 4 times 6 with the square root sign, so it's going to be 2 times root of 6. Now this is my A positive B, so let me take that as some 3. So now what I'm going to do is consider A minus B whole squared, which is A squared positive B squared negative 2AB. This is known 16 units minus 2 times AB 8 units, right? 16 minus 8 gives you 8. Therefore A minus B whole squared is equal to 8. A minus B is equal to root of 8, which is root of 4 times 2, which is 2 times root 2. So A minus B is equal to 2 times root 2. I am taking this as some 4. So adding 3 with 4, let me use this part of the page. Adding 3 with 4. So what do you get? 2A is equal to 2 times root of 6 plus 2 times root of 2, which is nothing but 2 gets cancelled here, which is nothing but root of 6 plus root of 2 is equal to a. This is a, and what would be b? You substitute the value of a here, you can get the value of b. So the value of b would be root of 6 negative root of 2. You can check that value out. So I've got a and b. Now substitute the values of a. So what is a? A is going to be root of 6 plus root of 2. B is root of 6 negative root of 2. Now if I were to take, say, cos alpha, I am taking. What is cos alpha? Cos alpha is equal to root of 6 plus root of 2 divided by hypotenuse. And what is sin alpha? Let me write that down. I hope you are able to see it. Sin alpha is equal to root of 6 negative root of 2 divided by 4. Now the question is, how are we going to get the value of alpha from here? Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to utilize the trigonometric identity. What is the trigonometric identity? We know that, let me write that down here. We know that sin 2 alpha is equal to 2 times sin alpha times cos alpha, 2 times, what is sin alpha? Root of 6 negative root of 2 divided by 4, root of 6 negative root of 2 divided by 4. What is cos alpha? Root of 6 positive root of 2 divided by 4. 2 divides here 2 times. Now this is of the form a minus b into a plus b, which is a squared negative b squared. So this is going to be root of 6 raised to the power of 2 negative root of 2 raised to the power of 2 divided by 2 times 4 is 8. This is going to be root of 6 squared is 6, root of 2 squared is 2 divided by 8. This is going to be 4 divided by 8, which is nothing but 1 over 2. Right. So what is here? Sin 2 alpha. Therefore, sin 2 alpha is equal to 1 over 2. Now, when do you get 1 over 2 for sine? You get 1 over 2 when sine 30, right? So, this is sine 30 degrees. So, in this case, sine 2 alpha is equal to sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 over 2. So, this would mean 2 times alpha is equal to 30. Alpha is equal to 30 divided by 2. So from here alpha is equal to 15 degrees. So that is the solution for this question. You see that this is a lovely question, and I hope you understood the working. If you have any questions or concerns, or you have a different way to solve this, please put them in the comment box. Until we meet again, thank you everybody. Enjoy your day.